off your knees, put you right back on your feet, just so you can take advantage of me. Tell me how's it feel?
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg.